This is most likely the best example that I've seen. This is the Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic. In the Carpathian Grey, 23,000 miles, 69 registrations, so still under manufacturer's warranty, with a massive specification 3-litre diesel. But it's the condition, full Land Rover service history. The car is super crisp. It looks mega. It looks $1 million. The full black styling pack on it, the correct specification, and the colour combination is just absolutely brilliant. So from the front, you've got the black styling, the badging, the grille, the bonnet vents, the inserts around the corner of the bumpers, and then you have things like the LED-style daytime running lights, LED headlights, LED front fog lights right at the bottom, and then you have things like front and rear parking sensors with the power park assist. This car then has adaptive cruise control, and it's also got the 360-view camera system. So specification-wise, already from the front, it's fully loaded. Upgraded bumpers, but then you come around the side and then boom. You've got the best 22-inch alloy wheels in high gloss black with the red brake calipers, which again make all the difference. Fixed side steps finished in black. The side vents here also black, mirror cap covers black, window surrounds and the sun protection glass. This car then has the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof, and around the door handles, you've also got that high gloss black finish as well. But look at that interior. When I said crisp, I mean it's just modern, it's nice and fresh, looks like new. Electric seats, memory seats, lumbar support, the full ambient lighting pack. This car then has a bundle of extras, or specifications, shall I say, things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've got the heated seats and you've got ventilated seats, and this car also has a refrigerator under the armrest. The extended leather, the extended lighting, Meridian sound system, nice and high up, so when you get in, you've got lots of legroom and headroom, with a split dash as well. Piano black finish to the interior inlays, automatic gearbox with 8-speed gearbox, touchscreen media screen, touchscreen climate control area with the different drive settings and the seat settings. It just does everything. You've got the 2 keys there, twin cup holders, and you've got the hydro underneath, which can fit an iPad. Underneath here is more USBs and your refrigerator even. Being the Autobiography, you've got the Alcantara roof lining here. Back seats have the third zone climate control, ISOFIX attachments, 3-point seat belts, and again, cliche as it sounds, but it does look like no one sat in the back. It looks beautiful. It's just so fresh, and because it's black, it still looks like new. You can't see any creases in the seat. It's been so well looked after. Round the back, the black styling continues, the LED-style rear lighting system, the upgraded rear bumpers with the bigger exhaust fascias there, and that lovely rear diffuser as well. Automatic tailgate, which can be used off the key or press the button. Massive boot, and the seats go down as well, 60/40, and this is the tonneau cover to hide all your valuables. Underneath here, you've got your spare wheel. It's only a space saver, but it's better than nothing. Press that, and it goes down. But if you look down the sides, you'll see there's no dents on this car, there's no scratches. I genuinely mean someone has looked after this car very, very well, and whoever gets it will be over the moon with it. It's got the best wheels, the right colour combination, and the drive's superb. You're sat nice and high up, great sound to the engine, the upgraded steering wheel there, which is all leather wrapped, heated steering wheel, lane assist, paddle shift, full digital dashboard with the navigation displayed on there. Put it in reverse, and then the HD cameras kick into place, and you've got the 360 camera view there as well. Remember, you've got heated and ventilated seats, the navigation, the Bluetooth, everything is very easy to use, just at your fingertips, and you can control all that from here as well. Now this car's just come in, remember it's an Autobiography, this car would have cost a small fortune brand new. So with 23,000 miles on, in a beautiful condition, with full Land Rover service history, in the best colour combination, it just isn't going to hang around. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.